In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by watching short videos. Yes, this is something that is not going to take a lot of your time, and this is something that you guys can do worldwide. Yes, it doesn't matter where you are, as long as you have an internet connection. You can use your cell phone, you can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you can use a tablet. It doesn't matter. If you have internet, you are good to go. And of course, you need to do the test. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you guys can make money online just by watching small videos, okay? Not even a 1 minute video. I'm talking about seriously small videos. Okay, the website that we're going to be using, it's a website that is ready to pay you every 15 seconds. It's trusted and sustainable. Okay, there are several ways in which you can make money online and you don't need to pay anything. Okay, you can pay, or you can get paid actually by viewing ads, by clicking clicks, by watching videos. That's going to be the main focus on this actual video. You can complete forms, okay? Just by clicking, you can earn 3 cents. Okay, you can earn even money just by signing up, by referring people. You can upgrade your plan if you want, and you can actually earn more money. Okay, it's easy, it's safe to make money online with this company. They do have professional support, they are secure, they're stable. This is instant service, so you finish it, you're gonna get paid, and they are really reliable. One of the websites that I really like is Trustpilot, because this is a third-party service in which people are actually giving reviews. As you can see, they have 3.8 star out of 5. Most of the people, 82%, are really happy with this website. Okay, and the name of the website, it's called Swingbox. You can join by going to swingbox.com. Okay, you can click here where it says register account, and you're gonna land here on this page, which they're gonna ask you for your full name, a valid email address, a username, a password, and as you can see, they have several payment methods. You can get paid via Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, Skrill, and RTM. Okay, so if you cannot use PayPal, this is definitely an option for you, because you can get paid again with several payment methods. Some of them are cryptos, and one of my favorite, which is RTM, because it gives you guys the opportunity to have the money withdrawn the way you want it, directly to your bank account. If you want to have another crypto, maybe you don't want to use Payeer for whatever reason, or you don't want to use Bitcoin and you want to have another crypto such as Ethereum, you're going to have the opportunity. Or if you want to keep the dollars online, you can keep them on RTM. It is really important for you guys to use a valid email address, because they're going to send you an email. Okay, they're going to send you guys an email just to make sure that this is legit, that you're gonna receive, okay, their request whenever they have a request sent to you via an email. So it's gonna have a username and it's gonna have an activation ID. Okay, you're gonna click on the link and it's gonna let you know that your account is gonna be active. By the way, guys, please let me know where you guys are from, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is going to be helpful in your area. I want to make sure that I'm going to deliver, okay, some information that is going to be useful for you guys. It doesn't matter where you're from. Okay, and if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Okay, again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay, so once you land on the dashboard, this is the actual dashboard. It's called the Swingbox dashboard, right? You're going to have some activities that you have, how much money do you have, the balance and all that stuff. If you're ready to earn money, you're going to click here where it says earn money. Okay, you're gonna see that you can view ads, you can click grids, you can actually refer someone, they have a contest, you can see the offer wall, the PTC wall. In this video we're gonna be 100% focused on the video ads. Okay, once you click on the video ad, you're gonna land on this page. Okay, some people get lost, not 100% sure, like, okay, what I'm gonna be doing, what's the best strategy if I want to make money with this. My suggestion is go with the micro ads. Okay, what are you gonna go with the micro ads? Because these are ads that are not really time consuming. Okay, these are where the really short videos, and by short I mean between 10 to 15-second videos. Okay, keep that in mind, between 10 to 15-second videos. Okay, so you just need to watch the entire video and you are gonna be earning money. Okay, but that's with the micro ads. Another way in which you can actually make money, and it's really fun and not time consuming, is actually with the click grid. Okay, with the click grid you're gonna have the opportunity to earn up to $5 every single day. Okay, it is easy to play. You just need to click anywhere in the picture and you can earn up to $5 directly into your account balance. Okay, how this is gonna work? Well, it's really easy. Let me click here. Okay, now it's gonna be opening a sponsor page. Okay, for whatever reason it's not connected, maybe I'm having issues with my internet, we're not gonna worry about that. Okay, we will need to wait 10 seconds. Okay, and then we are gonna have the opportunity to know if we are a winner or not. Okay, we have about 20 chances per day, so it's not like, okay, just one click and you need to be super lucky. Okay, you're gonna have 20 attempts, and you can see here we have the recent winners, so your name can be here. Okay, your name can be here. Remember that this is gonna go directly to your balance. Okay, directly to your balance. You can also try other way in which you can actually make money online with Swinbox. Remember that with this website you have the opportunity to make money with different ways. At the end of the day, guys, you're gonna be exchanging your time with money. Okay, you're gonna be maybe doing this as a side hustle, but chances are that you want something different. Chances are that you will like to discover a way in which you can make passive income. I mean, making money while you travel, making money while you sleep. You're going to have, or you would like to have the opportunity to live your life, in your own terms. If you want to discover how I'm doing it, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description with my number one recommendation to make money online. So if you're ready to give yourself, the opportunity, again, to live your life in your own terms, click the link below. Okay, if you enjoyed this video and you consider that someone might be interested, don't forget again to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, share this video, and leave me a comment. Okay, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next video.